Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to unsuspend TikTok account. So if you open your TikTok and you see this notification, your account is temporarily suspended due to multiple violations of community guidelines. So you could also download your data. But what you're going to do here in order for you to unsuspend your TikTok account is you have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And this time you have to search for TikTok submit a ticket or submit a report, and you will see the following websites here. So you can click the very first one, account safety. And actually, if you scroll down here, you will see some instructions about how to unsuspend your TikTok account. If you follow this instruction right here, then there's a possibility that you can unsuspend your TikTok account. However, most of these are just about if your account was deleted, disabled, and so on. So, in order for you to send an appeal or a request or send a ticket to them directly, you can go to Help Center and then type report a problem. But as you can see, it's just a report about report a problem. So, what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and then click this report a problem. Now, here you have to look for My Account and Settings, tap this one. And then under My Account and Settings, you will see this. So Manage Account. And then you will see this Suspended Account. Tap this one. And then what you're going to do is you have to click No. You can read the following here. And then click this Need More Help and tell us your feedback. So here, please provide as much detail as you want. Here, you can message them directly the main reason why you want to request or submit a ticket or report a problem. So hello TikTok, you can follow this one, you can create your own. Please to help me unsuspend my TikTok account. I have not violated any community standards or guidelines. Below is my proof that I haven't violated any of your rules. Here you can attach a picture, image, or screenshot here. And then after that, click submit. And then all you have to do is to wait for their customer service team to respond, to reply. It could be through email. So all you have to do is to open their message and follow their instruction on how to unsuspend your TikTok account. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.